I'm having a little pamper morning and my hair is in need of some serious TLC. As you can see, my hair is freshly washed. So I'm going to go in and dry my hair like 90% of the way before I style it. And I'm going to use the Mermade blow dry brush. Okay, my hair is like 90% dry and I am about to try the brand new Aircurl. I cannot wait to use this because I'm going to be able to achieve volume and an amazing curl all through using air rather than like extreme heat. So obviously that means less damage. It also has a clamp as well, so it's super easy to achieve a wave or a curl and it's easy for everybody to use. I've sectioned my hair and I'm just going to clamp it a little bit at the bottom and then, whoa, just twist it up like this. I'm going for like a nice blow dry sort of wave look, and as you can see, that is the perfect sort of wave. Let's do the rest of my hair. I'm so excited to see how this is going to turn out. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm not doing anything crazy with the waves. I just want them to be like nice wavy, like blow dry vibe. And as you can see, now I've got a big bouncy blow dry. I love this product because I can do a wave with it, but I can also do a super tight curl, but then I can also just do like a bouncy blow dry. Like, it's such a versatile product. And Mermade Hair are actually having an up to 80% off sale for Black Friday. It's going to be valid until 30th of November. Go and treat yourself. This is your sign to look after your hair.